Hi Wellham fan, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And it's diamond painting.
Hey.
Now it's, again, another lot of summer diamond painting because, you know, summer's a long month and I want to give myself some change ups and some change rounds and things like that.
Yeah.
Because why the heck not? Right, so first of all, actually, we'll start with the smaller pack. So we have got magnets, I believe. I'm pretty sure these are magnets. Well, there's no holes in their head, guys, so I'm assuming I'm right on this.
Yeah.
And sure enough, there's the magnets.
Yeah.
Right.
But very little magnets for them.
So, yeah, it's all right. I've got big ones for small ones, so I'll just switch them up. So we've got a tiger and a flamingo. I know I've shown you these in Temu hauls, but if you haven't seen them, there we go.
A koala and a cow.
Yep. And a flamingo.
Hey.
So I just think they're really cute. I'm sorry, but they're really cute. It's sort of like celebrating summer. Why not?
Yeah.
With a cheeky little mocktail. They've started doing zero sugar Capri Sun now, so you know my whole world has opened up wider. Right, so that's that one.
Yeah.
And in this, we are also going to be doing this bad boy. Now, I haven't got
Keyrings?
these out to see. They are not earrings. There are no earrings.
No, so Keyrings.
Oh, keyrings, yes.
Why would I say earrings? I can see the Keyrings from here.
I thought you said earrings on the other ones as well. Because I have got diamond painting earrings, but I'm not doing startup for those yet.
This looks like 2 packs.
It is. It's the same pack, but it's for some reason they've done it really weirdly. But yes, they are key rings. So they are also double bubble. So we got some nice
pineapple flip flops.
Yep.
Sliders.
Oh, look at that.
Palm tree.
Yep. Gonk on the surfboards with his shades and rubber ring in case he falls in, presumably. A rather nice wedge of watermelon.
Yeah.
I really like these ones because they are so different from each other.
Fish.
A fishy.
Would you like a fish?
Now that is not as creepy as the Teletubbies son. So,
no.
You know. And a starfish.
Yeah.
Right, so that's that. I don't know why they've done it like this, really.
Yeah,
I'm not going to be putting
you've got 8 in each one, so I'm guessing they did them at 8 ones and couldn't sell them, or so they put 2 packs together. I'm guessing.
No, it was always going to be like that. Sorry, I don't touch them. Darren has to put them on for me. Right, so we've got nice
watermelon.
Yeah. His hat looks a bit like a strawberry. Oh, we've got a fruity gonks.
Yeah.
This one's with a pineapple.
Yeah.
A lime.
Yeah.
Oh, and the coconut.
Hey, mix it all up.
Ooh. A palm leaf and flower.
Lay down and I'll read your palm.
And we've got another flamingo floaty.
Yeah.
And a just chilling lolly. So I mean there are
15.
15, yeah. Honestly, these were up actually quite high in price initially. So I didn't get them until they went right down, and then I did. But they were always a 15 pack, if you see what I mean. But yeah. Anyway, guys, let's get drilling. So I have now finished off the key rings, which did take a while, but they are really not lacking. This is no order because I've been putting them back, so I'll pass them to Darren so he can give you a close-up and show. Right, okay.
Yeah.
Right, there you go.
Pineapple. And
A gonk
can't put a pineapple. They are double-sided. Bit of watermelon.
And I have some very like that in the doodah as well.
Fridge.
That's the one.
Right. Yep. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all.
I know.
Oh, just chilling with a fab.
It doesn't look like a fab. Like that. Tropical. Cool.
Yep.
Thank you. There is tons and tons. Where coconuts come from. Yeah.
Flamingo.
My poor Auntie Arlene, she got so confused. She kept telling us that bananas grow from plants in the ground.
Yeah.
I don't think she realised that plantain isn't the same as bananas.
No. Bananas aren't even the same as bananas.
No.
If you don't believe me, have a look up what real bananas look like.
Yeah,
they look bloody nasty.
Thank you. Thank you.
Starry night.
That's, yeah.
Paint your palette blue and grey.
There you go. That's
Looking out on fishy day.
right. So my absolute favourite is the fish. Actually,
It's good. The fishes, yeah.
I love that.
I also like the star in the sun as well.
I do as well.
And the watermelon.
So do I. Although I must admit, I do think that the coconut's good. The gonks are quite cute.
Yeah.
But yeah, all in all, I'd say they're all pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they all pretty much stand out. I mean, that's possibly the a bit too many blues, but for the most part, you know, we're good with that, guys.
Yeah.
Right. So on to the next, and I won't be doing what's it, so it'll literally be me coming back to you. Right, guys. So these ones are magnets.
Yep.
That's what I've done. I haven't stuck the magnets on because I need to check these are strong enough to hold.
Yeah.
And I'm waiting on ones from Darren. So.
Yep. Oh yeah, we've got
on, so it twinkles.
Yeah, it's a tiger on a turtle with a drink. A flamingo with a cocktail.
Yep.
A koala with a cocktail.
They might be mocktails.
A cow on a flamingo. A pussycat on a duck.
Yeah. Now, I like these and they are fun. Yeah. However, I did actually change quite a few different diamonds on here. Yeah. Because there was no difference. I mean, if we take this one here.
Yep.
Right. Now, the glasses were the same colour as the flamingo.
All right.
I was going to change the drink one, but I'd put all my other ones away at that point. But this is where I think it doesn't work so much. So you needed, at least for this cocktail to be a different colour from the straw.
Yeah.
This being the same colour as the what's it would have clashed anyway. So that's one example. Now this is one example where I feel that I should have changed bits.
Yeah.
It's way too much yellow. And
no, he's orange and yellow though, isn't he?
Yes, but the flower and things like that, it could have done with something.
It's not too bad.
No, I suppose in real life, it might show up better on the phone because I don't think it shows up that well in real life. This has got to be actually one of my favourites.
Cow.
Yeah, I love the cow.
Because you said about different. She's still got the same colour sunglasses and flower.
I know, it was before I started being different on bits.
But it doesn't look bad.
No. Well, this
That's a bit
one,
strange.
Yeah,
that was what, a mix of too many colours.
Yes, it is. And I mean, honestly, it's such a shame.
Yeah.
I mean, this could have done with being a completely different, darker. Maybe some darker ones thrown in would have been better.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. This one would have been an absolute disaster. Right. The flamingo, the flower, the straw, and the umbrella were all... Oh, and this flower were all supposed to be this colour.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
I mean, honestly. So, I put in some different ones. And I've actually got myself a spare mixed bag to the side of different coloured drills that I can just put out different ones without having to go to my tin each time.
Yeah.
Did I change anything on you? I can't remember. Can't remember whether I did change anything, but again, this is actually another one of my favourites.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, I think they're all really, really cute, but I think that because they limit how many colours, right, because they limit how many colours, it does like, you know, I mean, it's worth keeping the spare drills, is all I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because at least then you can sort of, maybe you don't want a pink flamingo, maybe you want a lime green one or something, I don't know.
Yeah.
If you've got the spare drills to do it, why not? Go for it.
Yeah.
Maybe mix in some matte ones with some sparkly drills. It doesn't matter, the world is your oyster. And to be perfectly honest, a few of these would have been changed a bit more if it hadn't have been for the fact that I've spent the last 4 days pretty much with a hamster glued to my hand because he wasn't feeling too good.
Yeah.
Lovely mum and daughter time, I might add, and thankfully she is feeling so much better. Although I hate to know when this is going out because this could be in a time when none of them are still here. That's depressing, isn't it? But they are all 2, you see.
Yeah.
Right, so I know this YouTube thing, it's spooky on time travel. Anyway, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed all the pretties, all the fun, and as always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry unhoo-hoo, and I've covered it over, but let's have a little flamingo. Boop!